far, unsuccessful. We've changed another sensor. Has it made any difference?
Nope.
No. We're now running some tests. We've run through and checked all our negatives, our positive beads, the coil packs. All looks good. We're now running a high voltage test.
Which I'll video. I'm quite happy to video the high voltage test.
This is the point where our technical director gets electrocuted.
This is the point where we've got 25,000 volts coming down a cable, and we're trying to see if there's a spark. Let's just go and have a quick look.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look what we're doing.
Right. So someone with a pair of gloves. What you need
Here's
to
our
do,
wiring diagram.
Someone with a pair of gloves. What you need to do is, you see that centre thing? You need to hover that near it, and see if there's a spark.
And how is the how much voltage runs through that?
Well, I mean, it could be about 25,000 volts coming out of the HT.
Nice.
I need to check that, of course.
25,000 volts.
So basically,
That's just the way we roll.
Breakfast.
Right, Tim, is he feeling confident?
No.
Right. Okay. The two gurus deep in conversation with electrics, voltage, ground, currents, blah 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 blah. What I do best at coffee shop cars is make the tea. That's my job for the now. How does it feel to have 25,000 volts through your hand?
Nice.
You're still here.
Yeah.
You're still here.
It's a bit of a buzz.
Man, your hair looks like it's standing up.
Yeah. I don't need gel anymore.
Scott, what's that part you're doing?
Trying to split it, but it's a no-go, David.
It's a no-go.
Pass me the product we like to use.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. Dad?
Our friend WD.
WD-40.
WD-40. Get it in there.
Ooh, I think that could do the trick.
That's definitely going to do the trick.
You might need to give it a couple of minutes to let it